If you want to learn how to make a delicious rum old fashioned with the first ever Afro-Caribbean rum, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a rum old fashioned. I love drinking old fashions. Normally it's a bourbon or a whiskey old fashioned. However, today I'm going to make one with a rum that I did a review, which I'm going to leave at the end of this video. It's called Equiano. It's a blend of rums that are molasses based, column distilled, and they're from Mauritius and Barbados, and it's the first ever Afro-Caribbean rum. And when I tried, I thought, man, it is so tasty. It would make a fantastic old fashioned. So I'm going to start. This is a stirred down cocktail with 60 mils or 2 ounces of the Equiano delicious rum. Next up, 15 mils or half an ounce of sugar syrup. And last but not least, and I love cocktails with simple ingredients, a couple dashes of Angostura. I might actually add a little bit of orange to that as well. Regans Orange Bitters, because it's a naturally sweet rum already, so by adding that half an ounce or 15 mils of sugar syrup might make it a little bit too sweet. So just remember guys, if you're making a cocktail, normally we would use citrus to balance out sweetness. If it's a stirred down drink, bitters does the same thing. And bitters is like using salt and pepper in your cooking. I always like to season my cocktail with some bitters. So give that a nice stir down. I'm trying to dilute it down and also chill down that drink. Oh, I can smell that already. Yum. Keep an eye out. I am going to do a few more rums. Tattoo. One of my friends from Sydney sent me this bottle of rum and a few others. And I know I've been a little bit slack with filming lately, Tattoo, but they'll be coming. Keep an eye out on these videos. Okay, so I'm going to serve this up over a block ice. We use our stamp. It's got the 18th Amendment logo on there. If you're wondering what that looks like, it'll be up here or here. And pour it over your large block of ice. The reason I use a large block of ice is because I don't want it to over dilute with normal ice as I drink it. And then maybe just a little bit of an orange twist over the top as well. Let's go well with the Regans Orange Bitters. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Oh, yeah. That's a really, really good rum. Ian Burrell, the global rum god, I call him. He's got some really nice tasting notes on this bottle as well, on the cover of the bottle, and it's a good thing you put your name to it, Ian, because this is fantastic. Hope to see you again soon in Australia. Guys, get out there, buy a bottle of this rum, make some rum old fashions and rum Manhattans, and I think it'd make a cracking daiquiri as well. I love using an aged rum in a daiquiri. Aged about 10 years. Guys, please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.